in this very short video, I would simply like to share a milestone, and that is reaching 12,000 reputation points on Stack Overflow. Every time I enter on Stack Overflow, I get this little reminder of a unique turning point in my programming career. It all started in 2019 when I've also had my first job, my first ever job as a programmer. And I remember that I had to use Angular and RxJS. It was all new to me. But at that point, there was this publication called Angular In Depth, where a lot of cool and in-depth articles were published. And what I've noticed in those publications is that it was kind of necessary. It was kind of required to read the source code in order to get a better understanding of the tool that you are using. And you see, at that point I was very inspired by that, and I started looking into RxJS source code as well as Angular source code. Although Angular source code back then, I don't know how it is right now, but back then it was kind of dreadful, so I didn't spend very much time on that. But anyway, with RxJS, I was able to read the source code and then apply my knowledge by answering Stack Overflow questions. And that's basically what I've done for a few years in a row, consistently, meaning that I would go on Stack Overflow every day and try to answer some questions. Back then I also had more time because I was in high school, and I think it was also the beginning of university. So I've had a lot of time in the beginning, but I haven't been that active in the last years. But I also like to go from time to time on Stack Overflow to see what questions are being posted, and maybe I can help. I've been trying the same thing to learn the source code of a tool and apply the knowledge on Stack Overflow with Webpack. So what I would commonly do is to choose a tag and see what questions have been asked on this tag, and by simply reading the questions, trying to understand this, I can apply my knowledge, and I also give back to the community. This is also a bonus, but very essential and important bonus. So this was it with sharing a bit of a story. I always come back to Stack Overflow with a positive attitude because it indeed helped me a lot to learn a lot, and who knows, maybe I will find the time one day to make this a habit, to maybe once a week go on Stack Overflow, spend an hour in there, and I can also make videos about the questions that I've asked or that I've answered. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next milestone, which I don't know, maybe it will be 13K, who knows. Thank you.